Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. If you're facing the same Windows activation error as I did, then this video is for you. I will guide you step by step to fix this issue. Let me first show you the error. If I go to my activation status and search for Windows activation, you will see the option Activation Settings. Now you can see the message, we can't activate Windows on this device because you don't have a valid license key. If you're encountering similar errors like, we can't access your organization's activation server, then follow the steps in this video. These methods will work for all types of activation-related issues. Method 1. Using the run command. If you're unable to access the activation screen directly, follow these steps. Press Windows +R to open the run command. Type SLUI3 and press OK. Click on Yes if prompted. You will now be redirected to the activation screen. If you have a genuine product key or have purchased a license, follow these steps. Click on Troubleshoot to allow Windows to automatically detect any activation-related issues. Wait for the process to complete and see if the issue is resolved. If the system detects and fixes the issue, you will see a message stating that Windows has been activated automatically using your organization's activation service. If you have a product key, click on Change Product Key, enter your key, and click Next to complete the activation process. Method 2. Fixing activation issues after a Windows update. If you recently updated Windows and are facing activation problems due to a faulty update, follow these steps. Open Troubleshoot settings by searching for Troubleshoot in the Start menu. Click on Other Troubleshooters and find Windows Update. Click Run the Troubleshooter to detect and fix any update-related issues. This process will resolve any Windows corruption issues that may have occurred due to a recent update. Once the detection is complete, restart your system. If prompted, click Yes to apply the fix. Restart your system again and check if the activation issue is resolved. Method 3. Scanning and repairing system files. If the issue is related to system file corruption, follow these steps. Open Command Prompt, CMD, as administrator. Type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan and repair corrupted Windows system files. Once the scan is complete, restart your system, open CMD again, and enter the command to re-register your key. You should see the message, Command completed successfully. Please restart your system for changes to take effect. Restart your system again, and your activation issue should now be resolved. That's how you can easily fix Windows activation issues. I hope this guide helped you. If your issue is fixed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.